Hello, welcome to the Anova Lighting channel. In this episode, we introduce our LED Downlight frame series. LED light fixtures feature a flexible design, suitable for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Utilizing high-quality ADC12 die-cast aluminum alloy material. One-step fastening system reduces maintenance labor expenses by half compared to conventional lighting fixtures. The tri-light source adaptable system facilitates smooth transitions between GU10, GU5.3, and MR16 module types. Industrial strength fast connectors allow for live and unassisted installations, electrical labor by 30%. The modular replacement system obviates full luminaire replacement. Reducing overall costs by 35% over a 5-year cycle. Choose the right products to illuminate your life. Welcome to contact us.